So ano bang gagawin mo kapag nahanap mo na yung employee mo at nakita mo na yung reliable ba siya or hindi at nalaman mo kung saan ba siya sanay na makipag-communicate sa'yo? If okay na lahat at ready mo na siya i-hire, ang huli mong gagawin at ang pinaka-important mong gagawin is to give a contract para meron kayong agreement sa inyong dalawa kung magkano ba yung sahod niya at paano ba yung sahod niya at kada kailan ba ang sahod niya. So iting sample contract na sinesend ko sa mga aking mga empleyado bago ko sila i-hire at bago ko sila i-hire dahil kailangan muna nilang pirmahan at basahin itong kontrata na ibibigay ko sa kanila. So let's hop on my computer para makita nyo kung ano yung ating kontrata. So ito, we are excited to bring you on board as a content video editor. We're just a few formalities away from getting down to work. Please take time to review our formal offer. These include important details about your compensation, the terms and condition of your anticipated employment with our team. Ito yung responsibilities niya: to edit quality videos for influencers or companies, edit quality pictures with set themes based on influencer or company, be able to design graphic banners or flyers for advertising products, services, or events, create content formatted for specific social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. Experiment with the types of video editing, time generated, more traction, and adjust methods accordingly. Identify non-copyrighted clips and sounds for YouTube. Create engaging content. We are offering a full team position reporting to starting on, dyan ilalagay kung kailan siya nag-start, remotely. Expected hours of work are 48 hours a week from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Philippines time. In this position, we are offering to start to pay the rate of 15,000 per month or 7,500 per 2 weeks or 15 at 30 or every 96 hours. You will be paid every 2 weeks or every 96 hours depending on what's earlier. So dito, ang ibig sabihin ng 96 hours is depending doon sa kanilang work. Kasi ang sa akin, ang ginagawa ko is pinapasurot ko sa kanila kapag may pinapagawa ko sa kanila mga project, ilalagay nila doon kung ilan hours ba nila ginawa yung isang project na yon. And let's say ginawa nila 5 hours, pas yung next project 6 hours. And kapag yung total ng hours na yun is umabot 96 hours, babayaran ko na sila ng 7,500. So doon ko lang sila binabayaran every 96 hours kasi minsan may mga araw na wala akong pinapagawa, hindi ko sila babayaran kasi hindi naman sila nag-work nun. So upon this acceptance of this offer, you will be entering a 120-day probationary period to ensure your skills are satisfactory. If for whatever reason you are deemed unable to properly complete tasks, you will be released from employment. So ibig sabihin dito is 120 days or 3, 6, 9, 12 or 4 months check. So in 4 months i-check ng employer or ikaw yung empleyado for 4 months if goods ba siya or hindi. Kung hindi siya good, papaalisin mo na siya or ifa-fire mo na siya. And after the 120 day or 4 months na probationary period, your pay will be increased to 20,000 pesos. Pero ginagawa ko na lang, ini-increase ko to 25,000 pesos a month. As projects are completed, your pay will be incrementally increased along with taking more roles and responsibilities. These indicate your agreement with these terms and accept this offer by signing and dating this agreement. And then, yung signature ng empleyado mo, name ng empleyado mo, at date ng pinirmahan. So, isisend nyo sa kanila to by PDF file at isisend nila sa iyo pabalik na nakasign na. So, after nila i-sign to, you're good to go. So, mga gusto may copy na to, you can see down below is meron doon file and you can download it right away and you can edit it sa ano bang services or company mo mayan or pwede mong i-edit yung mga pangalan at maglagay ka ng logo depending yan sa iyo. So, ganon magbigay ng kontrata at sana naintindihan mo rin yung ibig sabihin ng kontrata na ito. So, see you on the next lesson.